Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and into my home. If you are new to my channel, my name is Denise Marie, and on my channel I love to share decor inspiration, thrifting, DIYs, cleaning motivation, and sometimes a little cooking. So if you saw my last video, I shared a DIY that was a Studio McGee dupe, and I am so excited because in today's video, I will be sharing how I styled those DIYs among a few items that I thrifted and purchased from Target, and I've also shopped my home, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be updating my blanket ladder here with this Hearth and Hand throw blanket that I found on clearance for $5. I actually found this on clearance months ago, and I have been saving it and waiting for the perfect time to use it. And since spring is coming up, I decided to go ahead and start using it, even though it is really cold here. But it changes day to day here in Texas. So that's just Texas weather for you. So I also decided to shop my home, and I had this basket, blanket, and pillow that I was not using at the time. And I decided to go ahead and just make a little cozy corner here. My idea at first was to hide the cords that you can kind of see from the surround sound, but I ended up putting it in another spot, and you'll see that at the end of the video. But definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So if you follow me on Instagram, I love to share my Goodwill haul on there, and this was actually one of my recent finds. I just thought it would make a nice addition to my decor, and I also love the Bible verse that it reminds me of. So this vase was another recent find of mine at Goodwill, and I just really love the shape of it. I didn't love the colors, so I decided to just kind of DIY it with some texture painting, and I think it came out really nice. If you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely link it here so you can go back and watch that. If you have been following me for a while, you might remember this huge wall hanging that I had on my wall here, and I had it up there for almost 2 years, and I just kind of decided that I was ready to do something different and just update my area somehow. When I came across these Studio McGee wall frames, I just knew that it was something that I wanted to go ahead and DIY myself, and I actually did that in a previous video, and I'm so excited because I get to share now how I styled them, and I think they just came out so nice. So the last thing that I'm going to be updating is my sofa, and I'm just going to be using this pillow that I found from the Target Threshold line. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I brought you some decor inspiration. And if you are new to my channel, I hope that you hit that subscribe button, and also definitely follow me on Instagram at Denise_at_home. And definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was, and let me know a little bit about yourself, where you're from. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.